Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Realm Sync to a mobile app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Realm Sync to your mobile app, begin by setting up your Realm application in the Realm dashboard. Log into the Realm dashboard with your credentials. Create a new application by selecting the appropriate option. Configure the application settings according to your project requirements. Next, make sure you have the Realm SDK added to your mobile app project. For Android, add the Realm dependency in your build.gradle file. For iOS, incorporate Realm via CocoaPods by adding it to your pod file. Once the SDK is added, initialize Realm in your code. Import the necessary Realm libraries in your application files. Create a Realm configuration object to set up synchronization properties. Specify the Node.js authentication configuration if required. Connect your app to the Realm server by using your Realm App ID. Use the app instance to log in users, either anonymously or via email/password. Upon successful login, obtain a Realm Sync configuration by calling the getSyncConfiguration method. Create a Realm instance with the sync configuration. Ensure you handle any potential errors during the connection process. Listen for changes in your Realm database to respond to any updates. Implement data models according to your app's data structure to optimize sync. Test the synchronization in your app to verify real-time updates. Monitor the console for any sync issues or conflicts during testing. Once everything checks out, begin delivering your app to users. Continually update your Realm configuration as your application evolves. Stay updated with Realm's documentation for new features and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.